Hi, my name's Lisa from Pilates by Lisa, and today I'll be talking about 5 foods that I eat every day for healthy, glowing skin. Now, I'm a big believer in natural beauty, and the beauty comes from the inside out. So I make sure I eat these foods every day, not only for glowing skin, but also to make sure my skin is as healthy as possible. So here they are. The first food is avocados. Now, I personally eat a half to a full avocado every day. You can have them in salads, you can have them either as a snack with a little bit of sea salt on them, or I also like to make them as baked avocados with eggs inside, and I have a recipe video that I will link below. Avocados are a fantastic source of antioxidants which help to prevent environmental damage. They're also a great source of vitamin C, which improves your skin elasticity, and also vitamin E, which helps to prevent damage from UVA rays. The most important thing about avocados is that they're a really good source of good fats. So they not only keep you feeling full, but they also give your skin a healthy glow. The second food is olive oil. Now, I like to drizzle a tablespoon of olive oil over my salad at lunch or on my vegetables with my dinner. The good fats in the olive oil help you to absorb the vitamins and the minerals from the vegetables even better. Now, olive oil by itself is a really rich source of antioxidants. It really helps to prevent fine lines and wrinkles and also protects your heart. So it's a fantastic addition to any meal. The third food is blueberries. Now, blueberries not only taste good, but they make you look good too. The deep, rich blue-purple colour in blueberries is due to antioxidants that help to protect your skin from free radicals. They're also a rich source of vitamin C, which once again helps to improve that skin elasticity. Now, I like to have blueberries on their own or mixed with some raspberries and strawberries. They taste fantastic by themselves. I also like to have them in a smoothie. I mix 1/4 cup of blueberries with about 1 cup of coconut milk and a squeeze of lemon juice, and I'm good to go. The fourth food I eat every day is dark chocolate. Now, dark chocolate is fantastic because it reduces your stress hormones and it also prevents the breakdown of collagen. It's rich in vitamins A, B1, C, D, and E. So it's a really powerful source of vitamins. Now, I like to have 90% dark chocolate. It can take some getting used to if you're used to sweet milk chocolate. So just have a little bit at a time. I like to have 2 to 3 squares per day just to make sure I'm getting my chocolate hit and I'm also getting my vitamin hit as well. My fifth food is green tea. Now, I'm a coffee lover, but lately I've been slowly replacing a couple of my cups a day with green tea, and I've been noticing huge benefits for my skin. Now, green tea is full of powerful antioxidants. It fights free radicals, it reduces inflammation, and best of all, it tastes great. Now, you can either have it hot, like you traditionally do, or you can also add ice cubes to it, and if you're experiencing summer in Australia right now, you'll be having iced green tea at the moment. So hot or cold is fantastic for you, and if you're like me and you love your coffee, try replacing a cup or 2 a day with the green tea and you'll notice amazing results. So there you have it, my 5 everyday healthy glowing skin foods. Now let me know if you eat any of these every day, or if you do start to incorporate them into your diet and you notice a difference. Thank you so much for watching today, and I can't wait to see you at the next video.